Tourists and locals line up and climb aboard boats to escape wildfires that are raging in southwest Turkey. More than 110 fires have been burning since Wednesday, sending huge plumes of smoke into the sky and forcing people to evacuate. The fires have killed at least 8 people and injured hundreds. They have also damaged homes, olive groves, and acres of forest. Desperate people try to fight the fires on their own by shoveling dirt on flames and pouring liquid from soda bottles. But of course, that's not even close to being enough. Even large firefighting efforts have been difficult and hampered by strong winds. A heat wave in southern Europe has led to wildfires across the Mediterranean.